In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories on Wix. Adding categories to your product listings on Wix can significantly enhance your store's organization and make it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up. Start by heading over to your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your site, where you can control everything from design elements to product settings. Once you're there, locate the Catalog section on the left-hand side menu. Clicking here will take you to an area where you can manage your products comprehensively. Next, look for the Categories option within the Catalog section. Selecting this will open up a page where all existing categories are displayed, and it's where we'll be adding a new one shortly. Now, it's time to create a new category. Look for the New Category button. Clicking this will take you to a fresh new workspace dedicated to setting up your new category. Here, you'll want to carefully type in the category name. Choose a name that is both descriptive and straightforward to effectively communicate the contents of this category to your potential buyers. Wix offers the option to highlight particular categories, so if this is a special category you want to draw more attention to, make sure you click on Highlight. This is a great way to make certain products stand out on your platform. One of the key features you'll want to utilize next is the addition of a category image. Visuals are important because they can catch a customer's eye and enhance their shopping experience. Choose an appealing and relevant image that represents the category appropriately. After setting the visual elements, it's time to fill your new category with products. Hit the Add Products button, which will take you to your product inventory. Here you can select the products you wish to include in this specific category. Once you've chosen the relevant products, confirm your selection by clicking on Add. With the products added, you're almost done. It's crucial to save your changes, so head over to the Save button and click it. This ensures all the hard work you've put into setting up your category and organizing your products doesn't go to waste. And there you have it, a neatly organized product category on your Wix store. With these steps, you've not only taken a significant move to improve your website's usability, but you've also enhanced your customers' shopping experience by making it easier for them to find what they need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your online store.